Hi guys. Hey, so my air conditioner stopped working last night around midnight. I'll go through, show you step by step how I troubleshoot my air conditioner, and let's get into it right now. All right, so I already know that the fan isn't running, but let me show you how to go through that process. I have a Wi-Fi controlled thermostat, so I'm gonna scroll this down to right now inside is sitting at 84 degrees. So here we go. Come down to 83. And I can hear the compressor running, but this fan is not spinning. So the problem is, now I've turned it back off. The problem is that this outdoor fan unit isn't running. So the coolant isn't getting chilled by the outdoor condenser unit. So here's the heat pump number one, and that's going to be right here. Now we're going to do this service disconnect. And taking off the service panel, make sure you keep all your parts and screws together. So I've already checked this relay and it's functioning properly. These three wires go to the fan unit up on top here. So I tried bypassing this relay up here. So I unplugged this and this one here. And then by putting this black wire on this relay, I bypassed this relay up here. This is a defrost relay. I fired this thing up and the fan still didn't run. I'm taking a picture of the motor and getting the part number. Now mark where the wires go. As you can see, I cleaned up the bottom. There were a bunch of leaves, sand, and debris in there. And I rinsed out the condensing unit, the condenser. So everything looks really good right now. I went ahead and ordered a new, this is a run capacitor. It's a dual motor run capacitor. So that runs the compressor and it runs the upper fan. I also ordered a fan motor, and those parts should be here tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. We're going to disassemble this motor assembly. Make sure you mark where the wires go into the motor right on this thing. You want to keep it in the correct orientation. That's a big thing. You don't want to go back and take something else apart, take it apart again, and reassemble it. Yeah, it's starting to rain. The wires So I'm snugging up the bolts on this new motor. Now there's a flat spot on the motor where the bolt tightens down, so make sure that that lines up correctly. Now feed these wires through the hole, and then there are wire looms on the inside of the condenser unit. You just want to make sure that you get those inside those wire looms so that they hold the wires back. You don't want the wires flopping around where the fan is sucking air through, and yeah, you don't want them rubbing against the fan blades. So now I'm changing out the capacitor. Make sure that the wires go to the exact same, same color goes to the exact same terminals. When you're installing a capacitor, you probably take a screwdriver and short across the terminals. Capacitors hold electricity inside them. They're not really like a battery, but they can hold power potential. So yeah, just to either use a jumper or a screwdriver to short across the terminals. Just keep all these wires tidy. You want to keep them all in the wire looms so that they don't get pinched when you reinstall the service panel. Okay, we're going to re-energize everything. And we're coming back out. Going to turn on the thermostat, lower the temperature. And there it goes. Now make sure that you power everything down again before reinstalling the service panel. And thank you for watching my video to the end.